How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove slider ends in OSU. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through setting, and in here you then want to click on the open OSU folder. Now inside this page, you have the skins folder that basically contains all of your skin asset. And what you want to do is to locate a specific PNG file called the slide and circle. So in this way, if you want to go ahead and remove it, basically if you delete this, OSU will just download it back again. So what you need to do is to go ahead and create yourself another image, or maybe a white image itself, in order to simply remove it, and you can name it exactly slide and circle.png. Now, so you could just go ahead and replace this file right here with the preferred slider end that you want, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.